Welcome. In this lesson, we will be looking at the if, and or functions. They are logical functions, very strategic and versatile because of their ability to assist in decision making. They are used in analytics, business intelligence solution, modeling, reporting. The syntax, it has three arguments. The first one is the conditions or the condition that you are testing, the value if it is true, and what you should do if the value is false. You have these operators: equal, greater than, less than, greater than equals, less than equal. You could also have multiple conditions. This can be handled using the and the or function. Let's demonstrate how the and function works. The first result will give me a false, will give me a false, will also give me a false, and the last one gives me a true. Now, you get a true for and function only when all your subtests are true. But once one of your subtests is false, you will get a false. Let's look at how the or functions operate. You get a true, you get a true, you get a false, and you get a true. For the or function, once one of your tests is true, you get a true. You get the false value only when all your subtests are false. I'm carrying out a salary review based on these three rules. Now you get a 20% or 10% increase based on your salary, or you get a 25 or a 15%, whether you live in Kano and your housing allowance is below 150,000, or you either get a car or not. But we are looking at the numbers of years spent, or whether you are in support. Let's look at how this was implemented. This is the formula that I have under. You have A3, which is looking at the basic, If it is less than the minimum wage, you get a 20% increase, or else you get a 10%. Now, the other rule says you must live in Kano and your housing must be less than 150 before you get a 25% increase. The third rule says you must have spent over 6 years, or you are in support before you get a car. Now I can change mode. Excel has two modes: the value mode and the formula mode. This is the formula mode. I can use my control tilde to switch mode. So let me go back to the value mode. Now you will discover that this guy gets a 10% because his basic is above 200,000. This guy gets a 20% because his basic is less. This guy gets also a 25% because he lives in Kano. He lives in Kano and his housing, his housing is below 150. This guy gets a car because he is in support staff, but not because he's in his years is over 6 years. But this guy is getting a car. He's not a support staff. He's not a support staff, but he has spent over 6 years in service. So this is how we use the if, the and the or function to make decision. Thank you.